Shelby Seely with Car Forensics. This is Engine Diagnostics 101 right here. This engine died while driving and it won't restart. And so we got the spark machine hooked up. That's going to be showing spark from the coil. We got the compression tester lined up, cylinder number 1 I think on this darn Subi. And then the voltage, and then this is hooked up to the injector. It'll watch the injector pulse to see if the computer's firing the injector. So we're looking for spark. It jumps here and there. Injector's consistent, and then we definitely got pressure. So we're looking for a bad computer signal. We're gonna check the cam sensors right there, and then kind of go from there.